A tooth is a hard, calcified structure found in the mouths of humans and many animals. It serves several important functions, including biting, chewing, and breaking down food, as well as aiding in speech and maintaining the shape of the face. The structure of a tooth consists of the following components. Crown. This is the visible part of the tooth that extends above the gum line. The crown is covered by a layer of enamel, which is the hardest substance in the human body. Enamel protects the underlying layers of the tooth from damage and decay. Root. The root is the portion of the tooth that is embedded within the jawbone and is not visible. It anchors the tooth in its socket and provides stability. The root is covered by a layer called cementum, which helps to attach the tooth to the surrounding tissues. Dentin. Dentin is the layer beneath the enamel and cementum. It is a hard, yellowish tissue that forms the majority of the tooth structure. Dentin is less mineralized than enamel, but still provides support and protection to the innermost layer of the tooth. Pulp. The pulp is the soft, innermost part of the tooth. It contains blood vessels, nerves, and connective tissue. The pulp provides nutrients to the tooth and helps in sensory functions such as sensing temperature and pain. Pulp chamber and root canals. The pulp chamber is the central hollow space within the tooth crown, while the root canals are narrow channels that extend from the pulp chamber into the root. These spaces house the pulp tissue and facilitate the passage of blood vessels and nerves to and from the tooth. Cemento-enamel junction. This is the area where the enamel covering the crown meets the cementum covering the root. It forms a visible line around the tooth near the gum line. Periodontal ligament. The periodontal ligament is a connective tissue that attaches the root of the tooth to the surrounding bone. It helps to cushion the tooth and allows for slight movement during chewing. These are the primary structural components of a tooth. Different types of teeth in the mouth, such as incisors, canines, premolars, and molars, have variations in their shape and size to suit their specific functions in the chewing and grinding of food.